Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante. Welcome back this week. Today we're going to go over removing your Kickplate. Some of these fridges, like these top mounts, they have coils underneath that you can clean to improve your refrigeration, or just if you drop something, not sure how to get it off, or in case you need to look underneath, leak, whatever it may be, nice little tip to know. So some of the times these top mounts have their Kickplate right here. This is your Kickplate. These ones are really nice because they just pop out. If I can get it, there we go. Sounds like you're breaking it. Sounds like it's about to crack. It's not. What these have are little tabs right here that lock into the sides over here on the base plate. So those are nice and easy. You can get a brush, rag, whatever, under here to clean out, check for a leak, whatever it may be. And then you just simply snap back into place. Just like that. Nice, easy little thing. And then we're going to go over to this other style, like this GE here. Got a Kickplate down at the base. These ones actually have, I'm not sure if you can see it, a Phillips screw right here. So you have one on this side, one on the other one. You're going to remove those 2 screws, and then this Kickplate will be able to come off. Nice little simple, easy thing. Takes 2 minutes tops. So that's how you take off a Kickplate for your refrigerator, depending on the style. That's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, come back next week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.